Today we will show you how to set the NEO Bike Plus to match your shifting system. First, open the Tacx app on your smartphone or tablet. For this process, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but the process is similar on an Android smartphone or tablet. Select Continue with Garmin. Here, you will either sign into or create a Garmin account. For this video, we will select Sign In. Read and agree to the End User License Agreement, then select Next. Enter your email and password to sign in to your Garmin account. Now select Settings from the Tacx app dashboard. Select Device Manager. Then tap the Bluetooth icon underneath the NEO Bike Plus to connect it. Tap Set up NEO Bike Plus, Trainer Settings, and Shifting Mechanism. Select the brand of shifter that you use. You can choose from Shimano, Campagnolo, or SRAM. Select the back arrow once you have selected your shifter brand. Your NEO Bike Plus is now configured to your shifting system and you are ready to ride. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.